All right, so this is my first time doing a recording like this. So you'll let me know if I'm seeing it this way. You'll be very able to see my hands and able to see the MIDI. Let me know if that's useful, and I might do a few more tutorials depending on if you whatever you want to do. So um, all hail Phil Thompson and Revere. The key of I think it says C sharp minor in the sheet music, and is the same notes as E major. So if you do C sharp minor, or E major, same notes. And so yeah, I'll just get right to kind of how the intro typically goes. So after some type of counting, 1, 2, 3, and so what I'm playing is in the left hand, you play in an F sharp, and the right hand you playing that C sharp, F sharp, in A. So this it's F sharp minor, and then the next chord is the E major over A. So A, B, E, G sharp, and then a B major triad. So B, D sharp, F sharp. So that's the first three chords. And then it goes back to the E major in the right hand, and then that G sharp in the left hand. So that's like a 1/3. Then the E major comes back, and then you play the C sharp minor. So C sharp, G sharp, C sharp, E. Sometimes with the movements going fast, I sometimes may drop out that note and just play. So it's kind of up to you. It just depends on how quickly you can move around. And then during the verse, you're just playing the same notes that you were playing in the left hand while you're playing the chords. You're just playing it in the right hand now. So you're just playing the. Sometimes I might flam the notes a little bit. That's up to you. It's all according to feel. And when you're coming out the verse, there is that part that's like, there is none like you. So the melody line, there is none like you. So what I like to do is play chords where the melody line is on the top of my chord. But you can still play it like in group position if you want to. But the way I play it is on the record, the left hand is this F sharp, and so it's going to be an A major over F sharp, a B major over G sharp or A flat, and then it goes to an A major, B major, and then a C sharp major. So I'll repeat that again. There is none like you. If you want to switch things up, you can play like you can start it where you're walking up from the A, where you're playing the same chords. So you're just walking up the scale, or you play it from further down the scale. So that's the record. If you want to play around with it, you can just do the same thing. And then after that, then it just goes back to the chords. And then the line that's in the record does this. So, all hail. But I've cheated and haven't played that line before, and I just did a little rumble in the left hand and played the octave. So let me knock that note out. Okay. So, but the technical way is to play the note, which is A, B, C sharp, E. And then you go back to the chords. All hail. And then there's that one part where it goes into what an honor, what a privilege. And so you're playing that in, you're playing A major, B major, E major over G sharp, and you play the C sharp minor. So, what an honor, what a privilege to be in your presence, Lord. And sometimes I might play around with it. You know, you can make it your own. What an honor, what a privilege to be. Same deal. But then when you come out of it, it's the same chorus like we've done before, which is the there is none like you. And then for when you're coming out of that first when you're coming out of there is none like you. You start playing the line. And then there's that line, so we say. So that's how the record does it. So we say. But if that movement is too quick for you, I've also cheated that one a little bit by playing that A major 7 chord. So, and all I did was just rumble the left notes. They both work. So it's kind of like when you're coming out here. And so the song repeats a lot from there. But yeah, that's pretty much the whole song. And then you just hit that note. Oh, hell. Yeah, that's it.